in January of 2012, a cryptic image appeared on the internet. Just a simple black background with white text. "Hello. We are looking for highly intelligent individuals. To find them, we have devised a test." It signed off with a strange number, 3301. That message would spark one of the most mysterious puzzles in modern history. A puzzle so complex, so layered, and so global that to this day, no one knows exactly who was behind it or what their true purpose was. This is the story of Cicada 3301. It all began on 4chan's X board, a forum for the strange, the paranormal, and the unexplained. Users scrolling past the post saw what looked like a recruitment notice. Hidden within the message was a clue, a cipher. Those who recognized it saw immediately that the game had begun. The first clue led to a hidden image, and from that image to a hidden message. It was the start of a rabbit hole that would soon span the globe. Cicada's puzzles were unlike anything seen before. They blended classical cryptography, digital steganography, ancient texts, and even obscure references to literature and philosophy. Some clues were hidden in prime numbers within an image. Others required using the Book of the Law by Aleister Crowley. And still others pointed to coordinates in the real world. Incredibly, Cicada's trail led far beyond the internet. QR codes began appearing on telephone poles and street lamps in cities across the world, from Warsaw, Poland to Seoul, South Korea to Sydney, Australia. Each code unlocked yet another stage of the puzzle. It was no longer just an online game. It was a global treasure hunt. For the first time, strangers across continents collaborated. Mathematicians, hackers, linguists, even historians, all racing to solve Cicada's impossible tests. But Cicada wasn't just about solving riddles. The puzzles were laced with references to philosophy, esotericism, and the nature of freedom itself. They quoted William Gibson, author of cyberpunk classics. They pointed to the Liber Primus, a mysterious manuscript written in runes, with passages about enlightenment, liberty, and resisting oppression. It wasn't just a game. It was a manifesto, a recruitment process wrapped in enigma. Speculation ran wild. Some believed Cicada 3301 was a shadowy government recruitment tool, perhaps the NSA or CIA, searching for the brightest minds in cryptography. Others thought it was the work of a secret society of digital Freemasons or a modern cult of knowledge. Still, others suspected it was an elite hacker collective, recruiting members for something far larger. But the truth, no one knows. A handful of individuals who solved the early puzzles reported receiving messages from Cicada. They were invited into private forums where they claimed to work on even more secretive projects. And then they were gone, forbidden to speak about what they had found. Those who came close but didn't make it in were left with silence. The door closed, the trail ended. Cicada released the Liber Primus, the first book. It was written entirely in runes, and to this day, large portions remain unsolved. Its decoded passages speak of personal liberty, self-determination, and awakening. But many pages are still unreadable, as though the book itself is waiting for the right person to finish it. After several years of puzzles, Cicada 3301 vanished. No more challenges, no more messages. In 2014, 2016, and briefly in 2017, new puzzles appeared, but then nothing. It was as if Cicada had never existed. So who was Cicada 3301? The government? A secret society? Or something else entirely, a philosophical experiment to test the boundaries of human curiosity? What we do know is this: Cicada inspired thousands to learn cryptography, programming, and collaboration. It proved that in the digital age, a single message could set the world on fire. Somewhere, perhaps, Cicada still watches, waiting for the next time humanity is ready to be tested. And maybe one day the rest of the Liber Primus will finally be solved. Until then, Cicada 3301 remains the